I gotta redo it.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fred. Homegirl saying about to do this. Good, man.
You got Jay Smooth over there.
Text me and then we'll give the audio over. We'll call you so you can give directions.
About to do this.
Let's get ready for it. Come a little closer. Come a little closer.
You gotta be positive.
Yeah, hold up.
Everybody.
Hold up, cause we
Sorry
got...
for McDonald's.
Hey.
That's a little preview. We're gonna start rolling.
Alright.
This girl sounded like the same nigga just said it. She gotta get down on the fucking spine or she can blow, so I'm not gonna watch this. Or she could blow on that dick too. No. I'm playing.
We were put together, not to be together. And I don't believe there's anyone out there that can love me better. I don't believe you don't know how much I miss seeing your pretty smile. Of course we had our ups and downs. I love my body, even about you when I sleep. Yeah, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. All the signs say that ever since the day that we laid eyes on each other, baby. You're the one. Hey, I don't believe you don't know how much I meant every time I saw you seem fine. And I don't believe I got myself in this predicament. I'm sorry for everything I ever did wrong. I'm sorry. And I'm begging you, begging you, begging you, begging to come back home. I dream about you when I sleep, yeah. You're the one for me. You're the one for me, yeah. All the signs say that ever since the day that we laid eyes on each other, baby. You're the one for me. You're the one for me, yeah.
Yo, she really did a thing. You feel me though? We got a
Damn,
demo.
got tears in my eyes. That bitch can blow. Oh yeah, yeah, she good. She good. That's what's up.